Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, Guyanese Duff or dumpling recipe. In today's recipe, I'm going to share with you one of Guyanese's most delicious recipe you can put together at home in little or no time. As always, if you're new to the channel, please take a moment to subscribe and welcome. So friends, for this recipe you can find a full list of ingredients and measurement below in the description box, so you can always check it out. As always, do sit back and enjoy the recipe.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me